Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Nintendo Switch, as some of you guys can see at the background there. So yeah, now throughout this kind of Nintendo Switch, this is a console. Is it a console? I can say it's a handheld and a console at the same time. It might be okay. It might be. It's a little bit confusing. It's a handheld Nintendo Switch. At the same time, you can dock it to your TV or you can dock it to your monitor and enjoy the game. So enough of me talking, let us just get started throughout this video of today. Whoa, there we're having it. No throwing to don't do that again. Just this box is bigger. We might destroy some stuff here at the background. But this is the Nintendo Switch, guys, as some of you guys can see, and this is a brand new one. And this, it's what am I saying? This is a Nintendo Switch first generation. This is not the OLED one. No. This is the first generation they released it, and it's really packed with a great and amazing kind of stuff. And it's the first time I'm putting my hands on it. I'm really pumped, to be honest, to unbox it, to enjoy the smoothness throughout gaming. But today we won't game, but I'm just gonna share with you guys the unbox experience, what you're getting throughout this Nintendo Switch. And for the next video, we'll be covering throughout games, because yeah, you already know what's happening. So enough of me talking, let's get started on this video today. Keep these kind of controllers aside first. Gonna keep the gaming. This is the main game, the Switch, aside first. Getting the paperwork. So this is the paperwork, guys, as you can see, which is really good. And another kind of stuff, you're getting the HDMI cable, which is really good. We're having the power brick or the charging. This is the charging of it, the power supply. This is what you're getting throughout the power supply, which is really good. You can see, guys, there, and it's patterned with the Nintendo there, which is really good. I like the way they keep their stuff, really slick, nice. In here you're getting this kind of controller handle, so you're like using the controller on this way, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys the kind of stuff. You're getting these kind of ribbons. Are these ribbons or buttons? We're gonna just have a look. And on this side too, you're getting the same thing, so they come left and right, I think. That kind of stuff, which is the last but not least, this is the dock. Now we're gonna just unbox this kind of dock and see what's really packed inside. And you can see this is the dock whereby you keep your Switch and you continue playing throughout your computer or anything, you name it. And this, I think it's a dock or something, you can keep it somewhere here, or the cable. Now I think this is the cable arrangement, as you can see. Throughout this side you can see the cables here. I'm gonna cover on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the controller, which is really good. And just some of you guys know, you can play with this controller dual, which is really awesome. So we have the red one too here, same, so you can see how it works. So when it comes to clipping them here, dock them somewhere here, just like that. And this one, you just dock it somewhere here, just like that. And you're having a fully working controller at a glance, which is really kind of awesome. You can see how it looks like, really great. Another kind of stuff we are having throughout here, these are the things which you can snap with the controller. So these are snapping on the controller. Another kind of stuff we're having here, it's the dock. Now this is the bigger gigantic dock written Nintendo Switch. Before we paint it, this is how it looks like. It returns Nintendo Switch. Now throughout here, as you can see, guys, there's a screen of the Nintendo Switch, which is really kind of awesome. This is the screen, which is really kind of dope. Before we get started throughout specs, so this is how it looks like, really cool, really awesome. So you just dock it somewhere here, and I think that's how you keep it. I think that's how you keep it. You just dock it somewhere here and you're good to go. Yeah, just like that, you dock it and you're good to go. You're using this controller on playing on your biggest screen, which is really kind of awesome. So I'm gonna just release this kind of controller. Releasing it's really kind of easy. You just tap it at the back and you just push it up just like this, and it's just coming up just like that. It's really great, just like that, slowly, and you're having it out, which is really dope. Now attaching it to the main kind of switch, It's just easy. You just snap it this way, just like that, and this one snaps on this side just like that, which is really kind of awesome. Now this is the Nintendo Switch, guys. To be honest, I kind of vibe with the colors. They're looking really great, and I feel like I'm missing out throughout the PSP the way it is. You remember, guys, the PSP, how it was. It's really kind of great, but today we are having the Nintendo Switch coming in handy, which is really awesome. Powering it on, I think it's just this button, just like that, we are on, which is really great. So as you can see, guys, we are on right now, and the Switch, it's powering on so as we can get inside the Switch, which is really dope. Whoa, this is awesome, really great. Selecting the language, just to update this Nintendo Switch, just like that. As you can see, guys, we are updating it to get this new software, latest software, before we install games and use it, which is really kind of great. So just like that, we're heading there, which is really cool. So guys, this is the Nintendo Switch. As some of you guys are saying, I don't want to just like play the games. I just don't want to do a lot of stuff. This was just the glance of unboxing, just to give you a fast glance of unboxing and experience. I hope you liked it. The features, the specs which it has, it's really kind of great and amazing kind of Nintendo Switch. And to be honest, you're gonna love it, because this probably is the only kind of handheld which is so dope. I know there are many out there which right now they're coming up, they're even running Windows, but this is like the top notch, the top tier I can call it, which is really kind of awesome. Do you guys remember one thing? Let me remind you about something. PSP, and it's from back in the days. You remember it, right? It's really kind of great, but this is the next big thing. This Switch, the next big thing, they're like taking over throughout the PSP, and it's really kind of nice. So I hope you enjoyed on this kind of review of today, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Do you think about getting a handheld which is equivalent to console, because you can dock it on your monitor and your TV and still experience the greatness throughout playing on this kind of Switch? I understand you might be saying the controller is a bit smaller, the controller is a little bit smaller, not for everyone, but to be honest, you can grab different controllers online which they're suitable with the Switch and compart with your hand and still vibe with the game. I don't know what you're waiting for, but this, it's really kind of dope. So that's what's up, guys. On the next one, I'll be sharing with you guys the game, on how I am playing on the Switch and more experience throughout it, and share with you guys on it. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel, and stay tuned on my Instagram account. And some of you guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here and support your homeboy here. It's really kind of dope to reach out the 4K subscribers. Man, I just don't know what to say, but up to on the next one, I'll catch you guys there. So that's what's up.